All right, you guys, so C6ZSC is back, also known as Red Rocket, so I got everything back together. Ran into a couple of complications as far as the supercharger belt. I put on a brand new supercharger belt, and for some reason the belt was crappy or something from the manufacturer. So even though it's the same one, same part number, everything, then the one I had on there, it wouldn't work for some reason. So put my original belt back on it. Everything worked fine, and it's all ready to go. So drives good, sounds good, and everything's working well. So I'll be back out there having fun, you guys. So continue to follow.